So it evolved into a complete platform to generate and manage autonomous agents. And then further, we focused on proactive agents that can
Mm.
lead conversation and create actions in parallel, which today it enables businesses to use them as an autonomous employees that can do outbound tasks, lead conversation completely autonomously in front of customers, and try to convert them or provide information or retrieve information.
Okay, so it's basically went from a nicer way to have somebody change the radio to something that's a lot more complex. So a lot of folks have been doing this kind of thing. They've been adding all these features to like trying to get replace call centers, right? With AI. What have you guys figured out? What's the secret sauce there?
So when most of the companies are trying to use LLMs as the tool itself, we figured that LLMs are more like an engine or even like a fuel. They need a vessel. They need a way to handle the thinking process. They need to be educated. They need the ability to save information and retrieve information.